Okay, you can't fault me for trying. This is a mudguard. I think I paid $3 including shipping from China. And it's about as thin as a 3 pieces of paper. And it's already kind of folded and creased. It's supposed to be a mudguard mount to your front forks. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be one of those things I'm gonna tell you, don't waste your time with. I mean, if you get over 2 miles an hour and this thing's just gonna fold up. But hey, $3, what the hell? And this is the tie wrap that they give you. It's about the size of half of a linguine noodle. Man, I don't know. What sucks more, me or China? I mean, if they had made this at least twice as thick, it might have been worth a doo-doo. What can I say? Let's see if I can figure out how this is supposed to go on here. Oh yeah. Supposed to tie wraps around the fork and then tie wraps through that fork brace there. But my deal is I get a lot of spray coming up this way, catches the wind and comes up. So I'm thinking that I want to put it like this. Looks like shit. Fuck it. Fester, you stupid fuck. It's also not designed for fat tires just because of the width of it. I don't even know if I'm going to waste my time putting this on. That really doesn't do anything for me. I'm not worried about the splash back here because that just hits the bike. I'm more worried about keeping it off my face and my GoPro. Yeah, let's see how that looks. And just for grins, I'm gonna use these linguine thread. I mean, seriously, these things are like threads for tie wraps. We know this is the Chinese culture of, oh, how can we make things smaller, cheaper, less expensive, and still be able to sell a product to the stupid Americans? This stupid American bought it like that. And then let's go like this through here. The other side. Yeah. I guess that's it. Fuck. Fester, you stupid fuck. What are you thinking? What were you thinking? Kind of looks stupid too. That looks stupid. But you know what looks good? Check that out, people. That right there, that's my finger. That's my front fork suspension. It's almost 4 inches without a tape measure, isn't it? I do like these forks. All right, I'm gonna cut those ends of the tie wraps off. Wait for the weather to warm back up into the upper 30s. It's 37 in the garage right now. It's almost too cold to even be in the garage. I can think of one thing that might make this worthwhile is if I put my GoPro mounted right here, then this will keep the water off of the GoPro when I mount it right there. And I know that these holes there, they gotta be letting air out, because otherwise you get enough air on there, you're gonna get lift on this and it's gonna fold in half. All right, let's wait for a test ride. Well, as far as the fender goes, I mean, that was only a 3.3 mile ride. Does look like it's a little off caca. But I did notice that the GoPro I guess I had some bumps in it, got bumped down a little bit. And as you can see, there is still a lot of debris splash on there. Looking at my sunglasses, I got some splashes on there, but not as bad. I want to say my first impression was that this helped a little bit. So that's all I can say for right now. It helped a little bit. Now looking underneath here, yeah, you can see there's a lot of crap underneath there. So it did catch some of the snow and mud and water from going up. Whether it's worth $3, I don't know. All right, man, that's it. That's all we're gonna do for the fender. Stay tuned for more shit. See ya.